Hey, what is up guys? Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to tint your rear passenger windows from looking like this to this. We just need a few things starting from the tinting kit, the roll of the tint of your desired VLT, squeegee, a spray bottle, and a glass cleaning cloth. I've put all the links in the description. I'm gonna start off by spraying the dirty glass with soapy water and then squeezing the dirt out. You can use your average kitchen dishwashing liquid for this. It is really satisfying to see the window this clean. But you know it's summertime, so keeping your car clean needs a lot of work sometimes. So now it's time for measuring out the length of the film that I need to cover this passenger window. So I'm going to take out my roll and start cutting away the area I'd like to work with. But as you can see, it is really windy, so it's taking me a while just to do simple things. So I would rather advise you, if you're tinting your car, try to do it indoors. You can see that I sprayed soapy water before I attached the template on the outside of the window, and that is because I have to now prepare the cutout of the window outside first and then take it from the inside. Sorry for my camera angle though. I'm going to first make a cut on one side of the window, and then I'm going to also make another cut on the other side. This door is a two-part glass that I have to tint separately later on. Also notice how I have 1 to 2 inches of film extra at the bottom, which I will show you why I need to keep later on. Make sure to always keep the tint wet by spraying soapy water on it, so that it is easier to squeegee as the film remains cool and we can avoid creasing. You can also notice the motion I'm trying to squeegee the film. It will be a diagonal way most of the time so that I don't create one-sided pattern. I'm gonna lower the window about 2 inches so that I can cut out a template off the top, which will then be used as a guidance later on when I install it from the inside. Now I have the template cut out perfectly, so I will then move into cleaning the window from inside and paste it after removing the liner. The same process follows: spray with soapy water, squeegee it out and spray it again so that your tint has something to stick with. Now because I'm an amateur, it takes me about an hour just to find out the separation line between the tint and the liner. And to be honest, this is the most annoying part of installing the tint. After separating the liner from the tint, this is the moment when I realized that I should have actually confirmed the liner side before cutting out the template, because guess what? I kind of screwed up. And as you can see, the liner is actually inside and the tint was facing outside the whole time, which means technically I have scratched, squeegeed and worked on the film, which now I highly doubt can be reused. So I'm going to have to redo the whole process again on this side with the liner facing outside. It's not a rocket science, but it does take a couple of minutes just to get the template right and squeegee fit on the outside so that I can paste it from the inside. I took the liner side and now I took the liner out almost 70% down, and I kept it sprayed with soapy water so that the sticky side is cool and wet, which gives me the ability to position the film however I need. Be careful not to squeegee the template too hard so we can avoid creasing, because I'm not using a heat gun for this installation, so it will take me a lot of time just to get any kind of creases out after lining up my template on the inside. Now it's time for me to perfectly integrate the film to the glass, and the soapy water acts as the glue to the film. Now the additional space I had at the bottom of the film, which I mentioned earlier, will then be used to perfectly tuck in inside the weatherproofing ceiling so that whenever I roll down my windows, the film doesn't scrape off from the weatherproofing seal. Check it out. I think I did a really good job for my first time installing the film, and I know there are a few bubbles, but since I just installed it, I would not have a hard time removing these bubbles. Now I'm going to repeat the same process for the smaller shoulder glass, and I will then repeat the same process on the other side. Check this out. I think I deserve a round of applause for executing my tint installation this good in my first attempt. Now enjoy a time lapse of installing the tint on the other side. Alright, I'm done with the installation on both sides of the passenger windows. So here's what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. Let me know what you think of how it turned out, and stay tuned for the next video where I show you how I completely screwed up my rear window installation. As always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe as it motivates me to upload more DIY videos, and until next time, I'll see you on the next one.